Hi everyone! We're back to do some fun activities and I've got my little sister here, so let's ask her what she wants to do. What do you want to do?
You make such beautiful paper flowers, but you don't teach me.
Fine, I'll teach you today.
Really? What's wrong with you? Okay, please teach me,
Okay,
teach me.
chill. We can do it. Okay, so we're going to need a pair of scissors and we will be needing some crepe paper of any color. It's her first time, so she's using one color, and if it's your first time, I recommend using only one color. For me, I've tried it loads of other times before, so I'm using two colors, and I'll show you how to do it with two. And you're also gonna need some copper wire. Yeah, you hold it up here, this way, okay? And then open it more and follow the fold. So follow it and fold it again, and then open it. So that's two folds now. And then three. Wait. And then 3, and 4, and 5.
What are you doing?
You're folding it so that you can get 5 folds. I'll cut it approximately half. And I have to cut it to this really
Yeah,
hard.
I know. We're gonna cut it here.
Where?
I went back.
It's okay, cut. You're gonna get a bad flower.
Okay, you don't need to laugh like that. Laugh how you will actually laugh. You don't laugh like that.
Now, after you've tried in one color, and if you're confident and you love to make in double color, you can try these. So only make 2 folds of the second color. Okay, now you have all the 5 pieces. So you'll have to neatly stack them up. If it's the first time, it's okay if the measurements go wrong, because it went wrong for me as well, but you'll still get a flower, a perfect flower. But if you're making for like a gift for somebody, then you will need to be a bit more.
You did it for me for my birthday, like
okay,
birthday.
okay.
It's a
Come
party.
on. Stack it up on top of each other. You know how to make a fan, yeah?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Like that.
And then turn it around.
See, my teacher taught me.
Fold it. And then turn it and fold it. Okay, now you're going to want to find the center. We'll need a bit of copper wire. This is the kind of the U it has to be in. You can experiment with like different designs other than U, but for the first time, try it with a U because it'll give you best results. All should be equal, so you look at these and in the back. They should all be equal. You do one on one side first.
Look at the colors.
It won't rip, see, it didn't rip.
Yeah, because you are doing it.
No, try,
Yes.
it won't rip.
Okay.
Try the other side. This is hers. And she's looking all smug that she did it, but I actually didn't want to do.
No.
So I used 2 brown layers and 3 yellow layers. Can you guess what flower I'm making? Pop it in the comments below and let me see how accurate I am in making flowers. So there are 2 different types of flowers. This is a rose, this is a scoop, this is a scoop. I'm not telling what it is. And here are a few other of mine where I did double color. So this is white and pink, this is plain pink, this is pink and violet. Thank you guys, keep watching for more interesting and fun activities. Let's go!